Hello, retro enthusiasts, and welcome back to Connolly Cove. Today, we're taking a step back in time as we explore the fascinating world of nostalgia at the Interactive Retro Museum, right here in Budapest, Hungary. If you're a fan of vintage technology, gaming, fashion, and all things from the past, you're in for this treat. So, let's dive right in. So, whether you're a seasoned retro collector or just looking for a unique experience that'll transport you back in time, the Retro Museum in Budapest is a must-visit destination. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting adventures into the world of nostalgia. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep the retro spirit alive.